It illuminates my whole backyard. It's around 12 feet up from my patio. Pretty bright.
Can I come into your oven, please? I think they're kind of small. Must be this year's flock. There were 9 of them here this morning. Coming up there, they're trying to get the food out of my bird feeder. They've been picking on the lawn down there this morning. There were 9 of them, and now it looks like there's 4 here. I don't know where the other ones went. Looks like they're young. They got kind of prehistoric heads on them. So it must be this year's flock. So I don't know where the other ones went. But anyway, I don't know if the hunting season's open or not, but what are you doing up there? Look, he flew up to my window. I could pick them up with my 22. They're so close. Look at her face. Her head. Look. Oh, they found the blue one by the wall again. Huh? They found the one by the house.
Yeah, the feeder? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.